A nation of small and micro businesses is New Zealand. In New Zealand, there are about 5 million small enterprises. Due to the ease of beginning a new business and government legislation, New Zealand has a large number of intact business possibilities. Accounting from 97% of all organizations, here are the top 5 small businesses concept for New Zealand. On number 5, whether traveling to the business school or a meeting appointment, people require transportation to get where they need to go fast. Due to the popularity of ride sharing apps like Blacklane, the need of ride share drivers is increasing in New Zealand. You may sign up for Uber and Zoomy via these sites. As a rideshare driver, you can use your own vehicle and mobile devices, as well as set your own hours if you don't mind driving. It can be a quick and easy way to earn money. At number 4, Business Solutions World Bankers of Doing Business Survey reveals that New Zealand is a very good place to do business in the world. New businesses are emerging in the country. They need experts to help them adjust quickly to the business environment and concept with their target audience. If you are a marketer, business consultant, or a business plan developer, you have a huge market to serve in New Zealand. You can offer your services to other businesses in order to grow up successfully. Number 3, the bed and breakfast industry B&B. Thousands of tourists visit New Zealand each year and they prefer B&B over expensive hotels. Sharing a B&B business is one of the best small business idea, and if you have an extra small room at home, you can turn it to a bed and breakfast business. Register your bed and breakfast on sites like Verbo and Airbnb. These sites have made it easier to market your place to the tourists, and you only have to pay them when a reservation is made. Number 2, handyman services are in high demand in New Zealand because people lack of skill or lack of time to complete the work themselves, such as maintenance, repairing, plumbing, electrical fixing jobs. So you can register yourself on websites like handyman.co.nz or nocowboys.co.nz. And number 1 business is online used book selling. This is an innovative and very profitable business idea to start from home. Used books are plentiful. You can buy such books at lower prices and sell them at a high price. You only have to decide which type of book you are going to sell and to find a reliable source to buy such books. As a beginner, it's better to start with a specific category, and as your business grow you can expand your collection. So guys, if you like the ideas, then subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.